people with money. And how much do we get? Baski sabihin mo, i-tax mo. We only get 70 billion. And that's it. Sus Maria Josep. So there are so many problems that I have to do for the country. And I'd like to thank you for bearing with me to listen to this. Because we really have to work overtime. All of us. Kayo. The one thing that kung gusto ninyo magtrabaho, yung mga anak ninyo, there's only one thing that I ask, that he is competent and honest. Period. Wala na akong hingin pang iba. If you want a promotion o may bakante dyan, if you are competent and honest, you get it. Yellow ka, blue ka, green